So your screen looks blurry and 1920 by 1080 is missing. Don't worry, your PC isn't broken. This usually comes down to a few simple things, which is your graphics card is outdated or not working properly. You are using a VGA cable, which can limit resolution, or your 1080 pixels is available, but hidden in the settings. Let's fix 1920 by 1080 resolution not showing and get your full HD back. Let us start with the quickest fix. This one solves the problem for most people instantly. Right-click on your desktop and open Display Settings. Scroll down and click Advanced Display. From there, select Display Adapter Properties. Now click on List All Modes. Over here, simply look for 1920 by 1080 True Color and select it. When done, click Apply, then click OK. If 1080p was hidden, this will bring it back immediately. If that didn't work, your graphics driver is likely the issue. Right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Now expand on Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. From there, choose Search automatically for drivers. Now let Windows install any available updates. When done, restart your PC. This fixes most cases where 1920 by 1080 is missing. If the problem started after a recent update, the new driver might be the cause. Open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Now right-click your graphics card and select Properties. Go to the Drivers tab and click on Roll Back Driver. You will be prompted with a questionnaire. Simply select Previous version of the driver performed better and click Yes to confirm. When done, restart your PC after the process completes. This restores a previous stable driver that may bring back 1920 by 1080 pixels. If rolling back didn't fix it, let us do a clean reset of the driver. Open Device Manager. Now expand on your display adapters. Right-click your graphics card and click Uninstall Device. You will see a confirmation prompt. Check Attempt to remove the driver for this device and click Uninstall. When done, simply restart your PC. Windows will automatically reinstall a fresh, clean driver. This clears out corrupted drivers that can block 1920 by 1080 resolution. Sometimes the fix is simpler than you think. Your cable might be holding you back. Avoid using VGA cables. It can limit your resolution. Rather, use HDMI or DisplayPort instead. Switching from VGA to HDMI or DisplayPort often instantly unlocks 1920 by 1080 resolution. If nothing else worked, this is the advanced fix. We are going a level deeper into Windows. Think of this like accessing the engine room of your system. We are not breaking anything, but we want to be careful. Before we touch the registry, let's create a safety backup. This allows you to undo everything if something doesn't go as expected. Here's how. In your Start menu, search for Create a Restore Point. Open it from the results provided. Then simply click Create. Give it a name like Before 1080 pixels. Now click Create and wait for it to complete. This creates a snapshot of your system that you can roll back to anytime. Now let's apply the fix. Press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box and type Regedit and hit Enter. Now navigate to HKey Local Machine, System, Current Control Set, Control, Graphics Drivers, Configuration. Inside this folder, you will see multiple subfolders. These represent your display configurations. We are looking for values called prime size CX and prime size CY. These control your screen resolution at a system level. CX is the width in pixels and CY is the height in pixels. Double-click each one of them and set CX to 1920. When done, simply set prime size CY to 1080. Do this wherever you find them inside the configuration folders. Now simply close the registry and restart your PC. When your system boots back up, Windows will reread these values and attempt to enable 1920 by 1080 resolution. This helps when 1080p is hidden or not being recognized properly. That's why we saved this method for the last. Now you have just used one of the most powerful fixes in Windows safely.